Good morning, this is Paul, and look at how spiky that cutting is. Now this is not dragon fruit, but it's in the similar family. It's in the HARRISIA family, and I believe that this is the strangler prickly apple. I'm not sure, but they call that one a HARRISIA balancée. So here's the fruit. You can see it's similar to dragon fruit, and I'm really excited to try one of these for the first time. I know that HARRISIA's maybe described as more bland, I guess you could say, but very crunchy seeds. So let's cut it open and see what we're dealing with. So there it is. It's a very beautiful white fleshed fruit, slightly translucent or opaque, especially up here. Maybe that's where the sun was probably hitting it. That's what I'd guess. So it's looking better down here. So, wow, the texture feels very similar to dragon fruit. So let's see what it tastes like. All right. Now it feels crunchier, more like an apple. I can already tell you that. I think like just the texture is a bit more apple-like, or pear, like unripe pear. Wow, that's actually really, really good. I like it much better than I expected or was preparing myself for. The seeds are really, really crunchy, and you get a little bit of a grainy texture, but the seeds aren't earthy at all. I know this sounds really weird, but growing up we had horses, and sometimes I would eat some of them. Like, I think my mom gave them chia seeds or something, and I would eat some of those seeds in it. These remind me of that. So sort of a horse-grade chia seed. Strange as that sounds, but in a good way. I actually really like this. You can see I'm gonna keep going for it. Crunchy seeds, that is awesome. All right, let's see how the brick score is. So I'm gonna assume it's gonna be the same for dragon fruit. It's gonna be sweetest towards the middle, because that's what it tasted like. And there's a higher ratio of seeds, you can see. But the seeds are what are the enjoyable part to me. Man, I have two varieties of HARRISIA, so I'm excited to see what they taste like, what the other one tastes like. And then I'm also wondering if some of these, the pollen will cross-pollinate dragon fruit. So I'm very interested to explore that in the future. But I really like these. I would probably give that fruit like a 7, 8 out of 10. Just is a little bit bland, but I really, really enjoyed it. And the bricks is just under 15. So you can see there's definitely a lot lower sugar content, but chilled, you can see I just keep going back for it. I really enjoy this. There's a little bit of a slime texture too. Watch this, see? It's a little bit different than dragon fruit. You don't really get that on dragon fruit. But it's not slimy at all. Wow. HARRISIA. Who would have thought? Give one of these fruits a try. I bet a lot of them just fall around in the garden of the collectors. Really excellent fruit. All right, give us a like and a subscribe. And thanks for watching. You can see that's gonna be a very spiny plant to deal with. So, FYI, don't forget that. But wow, I really enjoyed this fruit. I hope you try one soon. Take care.